Hello everyone, it's me Melanie from Handmade Stardust, and today I'm gonna show you guys my design team project for on a Whimsical Adventure. And I made this flipbook journal type of thing. Like I made one of these recently. If you guys check that video out, it's sort of similar. So for this project I used the kits Stardust, Es Libris, and Les Etoiles. I don't know how to pronounce that last one very well, but I will have them all linked in the description box for you guys. And this is the cover. I don't know if you can see that, but I put some like glitter with little stars here. I put these corners, and I painted some gold on here with like an acrylic ink. I put this pretty border on here also, gold. There's a lot of gold going on here. This image is from the Stardust kit, and that one was basically the one that inspired everything. This is the back. I put some more paint, gold paint, and the little corners, some aged sort of tape. And I'm just gonna get right into it when we open it. Let me make sure you're here. You open it up, and I'm gonna start with this side. Here we have like a, let me just move a couple of things because, okay. This opens up to the side, so I want to make sure it's gonna be on the frame. But basically, I put like this ruffle, whatever, and this little lace flip here to give it some texture and make it look pretty. I don't know. I made this tiny pocket on here, and there's just a couple of things. This comes with the kit, these two tickets, sort of, and this little tag that I had, this wallpaper tag that I had made and I had here on my desk, and I thought it went really well, the colors that it had, so I put it in here. And you can write on here, this is part of the Stardust kit, and you can just journal on here, I thought. And then this is a pocket, and this is also comes with the kit, and this is from a book, and I put like a little, but this is just from like a vintage space book that I coffee dyed the pages. And I don't want to take too long, so this one opens up, and this opens up like this. It's just an envelope that's in this pocket. This is from the Etoiles kit, the one that I can't really pronounce. It has these images, really pretty. And I put this envelope that comes with the Stardust kit in there, like that. Just this flap in the, and in here is a pocket. And this is like a little, this is from a little postcard book, and I thought the gold just went well with this kit. And this comes in the Stardust kit, so I sewed on that little tab on there. It also comes with some other tabs like these, but after I cut them out, I sort of forgot that I had them and didn't use them. So in the envelope, you can close the envelope. I put the stickers so you can close the envelope, and I just, in here I put like a little mini journal. I took the pages that are for journaling in the kit, and I printed them out smaller, and I made this little tiny sort of journal booklet with some of them. And this one also has little sparklies, little glitter on there. So that one goes in the envelope. And I just thought like that this could be like a book that a scientist had, like sort of like someone who liked astronomy and whatnot, and they kept their things in here. That was kind of like the story I was going with. I'm gonna move this back here, and in this pocket I just have, this is an antique postcard. This one's a little fragile, but I thought the color gold and just went well with that. This is a letter in here in this, and it has quite a few pages in there, so you can journal with that. I like to use handwritten papers to journal. This one is like a French letter. It's really cute. It says Mon cher papa. I think it was someone writing to their dad, and I thought it was so cute. This is like a postcard you can just do as ephemera, and this is just like a little ephemera paper that I have, and this all just goes in this pocket, this big fabric pocket that I made here with this gorgeous fabric that's shiny and sparkly. Let's just put everything back in there. And then we moved on. This flips back here with the little lace, and we're gonna move on to this part. And I love this part, this side. So I made this little band. There's just a little ticket that comes with the kit tucked in here, and this is like an embellishment that I put on there. And this opens up, and there's this journal that I made. It's like a paper cover, and it has this beautiful image that comes in the Stardust kit. Some of that glitter, just some corners, and I wanted it to look like used, sort of like, you know, it's being used. And it's just a pretty simple junk journal. In here, and this pocket that I made, I put this beautiful tag that comes in the Stardust kit, and just, this is from the Slibri, this pattern. I love that pattern, and I got the Slibri because I felt like it needed some reds, some like contrasting color, the kit. And so this is just a basically another little card. There's some glitter. This is a very basic junk journal. This is some cabbage dyed paper that I have. This is from that book of like galaxies and whatnot. Some little ephemeras. In here, another coffee dyed paper. There's a little stamp in there. Just a very simple little junk journal so that you can journal in here. That's the back. And I love how this journal turned out. I love how it's like a paper cover and it looks used, and the simplicity of it, and I will definitely want to make more like that. I made this little band like pocket with this beautiful image from the Stardust kit, and I put like a little piece of sari in there, and just some fun stuff in this pocket. A receipt. This is a big like a vellum sticker, and this is a really pretty French paper from like a French book, and I love the color. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a watermark on all of the paper. I thought it was a cool piece of paper. and then this flower image, and that all tucks in here in this pocket. I had so much fun making this book because I like just decorating. Decorating is my favorite part of making journals, and in this book, when you make like a book like this, it's a lot of decorating. Okay, yeah, so this stays open and this flips down. So I'm gonna show you, oh, I'm sorry, I moved you. I'm gonna show you the flip down part first. It flips down. Can you, is that on camera? Up. Okay, so we just have like another one of those little cards, and there's a little star charm here, and like a couple of textiles, and this fabric that tucks in here so that it's not flapping around when you flip the thing. There's another little clip here where you can put something, and I put this piece of the ephemera, and then you can journal here, and it could be like a secret, and you can put any piece of paper on this clip, and then the flip clips in here, and the little card, and that's what's down there. And then we're back to this part. And here we have a little like I did in the other one with the clasp, the metal clasp. I just clipped in here some textiles, some trims, some fabrics, lace. So yeah, it's just some fabric clipped on there, some textiles that you can take out. You can open this and take them out and use them throughout your journaling, or for another junk journal that you might want to use them on. Just a little fun with that. And here's a tiny envelope. I took the big envelope from the kit that's on this side, and I printed them out to a page and just made this tiny envelope and put some fun little ephemeras in here to use in your journaling. And just decorated it really pretty and tucked it into this metal corner. I thought this was like fun to have this metal corner like that. And I think that's basically it. Yep, so that's it, and that is my Stardust project. I love this one so much, and this is gonna be in my Etsy shop by the time this video is out. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. I have a link to my Etsy shop in my description box, and definitely go check out on a Whimsical Adventure. She has really beautiful kits, and they have everything that you need to make a junk journal or a fun project like this. So go check her out. I'm gonna have the link to her shop and to every kit that I used in my description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos and for supporting me on here. If you like this video and you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel and helping me out. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.